Good evening, fellow terrorists. My name is Jivan James. I don't really talk much in class, to be honest, but that's alright. I'm presenting this video here today to you to talk about one of the world's most controversial and problematic topics. Well, to you right now, you're probably sitting on the side of your seats. You don't want to be here right now, yawning. You're just like, why is this orange guy talking right now? Well, the problem which I'm going to talk about today is energy. Now, what is energy?
Energy is described as the capacity for doing work. Yet again, you're probably still wondering, what's the point of this? What exactly is the problem? Let's hurry up get to the problem. Well, the problem with energy lies in which the sources in which we use to produce the different or various types of energy, which include chemical, nuclear, elastic, kinetic, gravitational, and thermal. The problem is that we have two types of energy sources, renewable and non-renewable. Now the difference between the two of them is self-explanatory with the actual name of the given type of energy source. Renewable sources are infinite and non-renewable sources, once used up, cannot be used again. Various scientists have been trying to find alternative answers to these non-renewable energy sources, which have brought us to the renewable energy sources or alternative energy sources. And today we'll be focusing on one of them, which is called solar energy, also known as thermal. Now, why solar power? Well, according to Solar Energy Industries Association, or SEIA, solar energy is the world's most abundant form of energy. As seen on the screen, solar energy is more common in the states than one would think. States such as New York, Texas, Hawaii, Massachusetts, Arizona, and even North Carolina are the top 10 states in which utilize it or sustain their inhabitants using such an energy source. According to solarworld.org, the usage of solar power nearly doubled in 2016, and it has been recognized as the future of alternative energy sources as it is non-polluting. With the Earth's rapidly growing energy consumption rate, solar energy is one of the only two energy sources which can actually possibly sustain its growth.
Now, fellow classmates, why should you invest in solar power? Well, it's simple. Costs are decreasing every single year, and in terms of maintenance, once you have it installed, it's virtually no problem whatsoever. And the USF even has a energy or green fund where if you plan to cooperate or join or even think of your own idea in terms of solar power or any other renewable energy source, they'll actually fund you. And I'm pretty sure everyone in this room loves money, would like to have something off of their tuition. And one last thing too, if there's one last thing I forgot to mention. If we don't invest in renewable energy sources, then, well, the greenhouse effect will increase. And that has two things. We're either going to burn to death or we're probably going to eventually drown from rising sea levels. So, yeah, everyone enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for having me presenting on this topic. Thank you.